I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get keystrokes on Roblox. Open Roblox Studio and create a local script in Starter Player Scripts. Use User Input Service to detect key presses and connect functions to Input Began and Input Ended events. Keep input handling client-side for responsiveness, then send validated events to the server with remote events. Always validate actions, server-side, and avoid trusting raw client data to create a local script and get user input service with game get service, user input service. Connect input began to a handler that checks input, user input type and input. Key code. Implement debouncing to ignore repeated triggers for the same key until processing finishes. For held keys, use input changed or track input ended events. Keep the logic simple and readable, and comment key mappings so teammates can easily modify controls later. When a keystroke triggers an important action, fire a remote event to the server with minimal data, like an action identifier. On the server, validate the player's state, permissions, and cooldowns before applying effects or changing game state. Implement rate limiting and cooldowns to avoid spamming. Log suspicious activity for review and avoid performing sensitive calculations client-side. This pattern keeps gameplay fair and reduces exploit risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.